Procurement is an integrated part of the Omega 365 solution and is used for managing the procurement process, including administrating the documents, collaboration and dialogue with the bidders.
Yes, and a procurement in Omega 365 is split into steps and stages. A typical procurement process can be like illustrated here. First you have the initiation step where you define a strategy for the procurement and select potential vendors or suppliers. A pre-qualification process may be run to select those that are invited to the actual tender. And during the tender process, the bidders can send clarification questions and submit a response to the tender through the bidder's web portal. Negotiations are conducted to finalize the terms of the procurement, and after successful negotiations, the contract is awarded to the selected vendor.
Omega 365 has functionality for following up the contract after an agreement has been made, including changes to contract, cost, documents, risk, schedules and more. So by using an integrated solution as Omega 365, it will be a seamless transition from the procurement process and to follow up the contract that has been awarded.
Yes, and the solution is configurable, supporting different types of procurements, for example, with or without pre-qualification or single sourcing. In the procurement register, one gets an overview of all the procurements. That could be in a specific project, or one can navigate higher up in the organization structure, getting all the procurements for a portfolio of projects, or for the whole company, of course, depending on what type of access one has. So let's look at one of the procurements. Here we have reached the step tendering. So you will see for this procurement, we have been through an agreement stage, we have prepared ITT and are right now at tendering. During the agreement strategy stage, we have developed some documents using the document management functionality, issued for review and approval. We have now reached a tendering stage where a portal has been set up. That's easy to do for you as owner of the bid. And when we have a look at how this appears for the bidders, they first get an invitation to the bid, where they then get instructions on how they can log on to solution, and they get to this page where they get an overview of the tender documents and information about it, and they can also use this portal to submit questions to the procurer and also get an overview of the questions and answers submitted from the procurer to all the bidders. And additional information can be provided and be made available here.
From the procurer's side, one has easy access to the bidder's response to the tender, as well as questions and answers.
Yes, and you can also do an evaluation, like here we have the evaluation matrix, so you can side by side see the different responses to specific questions that you have. And when the procurement process is finalized and the contract has been awarded, it can be further followed up then in Omega 365. That includes changes to the contracts, cost, progress, etc. So this was an introduction to Omega 365 procurement. For more information, check out our website omega365.com and our YouTube channel.